Chemical companies buried this crop because it made their products obsolete for 4,000 years. For 4,000 years, farmers grew one crop that actually improved soil with every harvest. It required no chemicals, resisted droughts, and produced more nutrition than modern varieties. Then, in the 20th century, it disappeared. Secret 1, the nitrogen-fixing roots that eliminated fertilizer needs. This crop pulled nitrogen from air and stored it in soil, naturally. Secret 2, the deep taproot system that broke up compacted soil. It reached minerals and water that modern crops can't access. Secret 3, the pest-resistant genetics that needed no pesticides. Modern science still can't replicate this natural defense. Secret 4, the drought-proof water system. This crop survived conditions that kill modern hybrids in days. Secret 5, the protein content that rivaled meat. This crop provided complete nutrition in famine conditions. Secret 6, the mineral absorption that fixed nutrient-deficient soils. It actually made poor soil richer season after season. In the 1950s, chemical companies realized this crop threatened their entire business model. So they launched a campaign to replace it with varieties that needed their products to survive. The result? Soil that's now 60% less nutritious than in 1950, farmers trapped in chemical debt cycles, and a food system on the brink of collapse. But a handful of seed savers preserved this crop. Now it's making a comeback and solving modern farming crises that chemicals created. You can grow this crop in your backyard with seeds available right now. It requires no chemicals, little water, and will improve your soil in one season. They buried this crop to sell you chemicals. Now you can grow the solution in your own garden. The next video reveals how to get these seeds and start your soil revolution today.